Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to put together the free SVG that's the Flourish Ornament card. So these are the pieces. These are the panels and the card. And then I did this little print and cut on my Cricut. So it doesn't include it, but it's just a little tag to put on it. And here's the layered ornament. So it's a pretty quick card, so it's nice for Christmas. This is kind of, you don't really need this background. I mean this part. You could just do that one and do that if you want to do it quickly. I did that just in case somebody wanted to use this and do some cutouts on it or something like that. So you could theoretically take a little circle and cut it out on with your software. So you can see this is kind of a metallic holographic stuff. But if you're good with your software and you know how to do like little slices with Cricut or cut out a circle, you could actually put a picture. That would be cute. And put it on the background and put it over there. So that's the reason why we have that extra panel. So I'm just using it. So I'm just going to put that aside right there. And then I know it's kind of a strange thing, but it's really simple. We're just going to glue this on. It's just the how this shines. It's just a paper I got a long time ago, so I can't even tell you where it's from. It was from a good friend that no longer is around anymore. I get a lot of reminders because I got a lot of her stuff when she passed away. So, not a bad thing because I get to think about her all the time, including crafting and other times. And that is embossed with the little swirls embossing folder. And then here's the little top part. So you can see where you need to put it. Just match it up. And this is just a little metallic paper I have. If you wanted to, it's not easy. Oh, it's just not easy to glue on this metallic paper. It's not easy to glue on metallics. So I'm trying not to get glue. I'll get that off my mat. I was just trying to get a little bit of the glue off here. So once you get it set, if you do metallic over metallic, it doesn't glue very well sometimes. So I'm just going to take, just to give it a little bit more interest, just going to take my little stylus. I have a little stylus. And just add some lines to it. Kind of looks like a real, I'm just eyeballing it, nothing perfect. Then you can go ahead, and the reason I haven't glued that on is I'm just gonna, I want it to look like it's hanging. So I make sure I put it on the right way. Like that. So it's gonna be hanging from these swirls. So once I get it where I want, I'm going to kind of go to, it's the opposite, so I'm going to want to just go a little bit to the right there, which is to the left when flipped over. And to do this, so that larger panel is a little bit smaller than this one, just slightly, so it doesn't overlap and you don't see it when we glue it on. You can add a dab of glue, but I'm not going to do that to the back of this quite yet. I'm just going to focus on getting glue on these little skinny pieces. So this is where the fine tip applicator comes into play. I'm using art glitter glue, and you just want to do it lightly. And I'm just kind of dotting it. And if I get it on the mat, which I just did, I'm just going to pick it up before I do anything, just to make sure. If we need to, we'll just touch it up on the other side. Just want to make sure I get that off. And I'm just going to flip this upside down and line it up that way. We're not going to pick that up. I'm going to get close to the edge. I'm just making sure that it's, if I need to adjust it at all. I'm just dabbing where I may have gotten some, just make sure there's no excess. I did have a couple of little marks here from the glue that was on there, so you just want to be careful of that. So that's it. I mean, other than adding a little bit of your own wording or sentiment. So I'm just going to add this. I said I just went on and found something to print on Cricut. So I got this little Merry Christmas thing. Or you could do a solid background and add Merry Christmas as a print and cut if you do print and cut. Or a tag that you have in your stash. Sometimes there are a lot of stickers. So it's a really quick card, because now all we have to do is add it to this. So you can see that's flipping around. You can let it hang, or you can glue the back of that. I kind of like the hanging because it reminds me of an ornament. A real ornament on a tree. No, it's not a tree, it's on swirls, but I just center it there. It makes it a really quick card to make for Christmas and fun. So you see I didn't really glue around there. So you can make the decision. I'm just going to keep it kind of hanging, so if they open it, it's going to move back and forth, and I thought it would be a little fun. So that's it. You can go ahead and get that free SVG on Simply Crafty SVGs. And if you do like projects like this, some of our other free projects, please give me a little like below, or subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching.